Here is a triangle-shaped welcome shelter, A, B, C. A sign band runs straight across it. The band is called DE. D sits on the left side, AB. E sits on the right side, AC. The band DE is parallel to the base, BC. We know the left side in two pieces. AD is 4. DB is 6. So the whole side, AB, is 10. The base, BC, is 15. How long is the sign band, DE? Pause the video and try it first. Here's the key. The band is parallel to the base. That single fact is the whole trick. Think about what a parallel cut does to the small triangle on top. Because DE is parallel to BC, the small top triangle ADE has the same shape as the big triangle ABC. Same shape means every matching length scales by the same ratio. So we find that ratio first. We compare the left sides. AD is 4. The full side AB is 4 plus 6, which is 10. The ratio is 4 over 10. That simplifies to 2 over 5. Now the band DE matches the base, BC. So DE is the same ratio of BC. DE is 2/5 of 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So DE is 6. Notice what made this work. The parallel band is what cut off a smaller triangle of the same shape. Without parallel, the top piece would not match. With parallel, one ratio carries every length. We found the ratio on a side we knew, then we used the same ratio on the side we wanted. This is the similar triangles rule. If a line is parallel to one side of a triangle, then it cuts off a smaller triangle of the same shape, and every matching length scales by the same ratio. Look for a segment drawn parallel to a side. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.